it's your girl Shelly May, and welcome back to my channel for all of my returning subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome to you guys as well. And if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know every time that I post, okay? Yeah. Anyways, we are mic'd up today so that you guys get some good audio for me, because I just want to give you good audio. Anyways, let's get right into what this video is all about. As you read, this is a Cercred unboxing. I know they launched like a year ago, and I've wanted their products ever since, and I finally bought them. And when I say bought them, I mean I bought them all. I bought the Superfan bundle, and which I'm actually glad I waited till now to get the Superfan bundle, because now it comes with like the oil and the drops, which weren't released when the brand actually dropped. So we got a couple more items, so let's get to it. I also took their little quiz, their hair quiz on what products to get or to use or whatever. So we're gonna go over those results as well to see what products we're gonna start using, because these braids are actually coming out today and I'm going to use these products. So after all of that is said and done, we will be back with a review on these products, but let's get the box. Isn't she pretty? I also have my iPad so that we can go over all of the products and the results, you know. But I need a knife. Drawers everywhere. Hair videos, drawers. Unboxing, drawers. Because I'm always reaching in a drawer. Whew. Get that smell on my face. My goodness. Okay. Oh wow. So many things. Okay. I guess we could start with the cosmetic bag. Just gonna move this stuff over here. Okay, so we got the cosmetic bag. She's cute, off-white. Where's the... Ooh, okay. She's a nice little size. I mean, you can make this thing into, well, maybe not. There are no clips. I was going to say, make this thing into a little purse. But she's cute. I like her. None of this stuff will fit in here, but we love it. Get that out of here. Okay, and so this also comes with the fermented rice and rose protein ritual. I don't know where that is. We're just going to go through everything. What is this? This is the hydrating conditioner. Okay, hydrating conditioner. This is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. Boom. Those two. What's this one? Moisturizing sealing lotion. Hydrating shampoo. So we got two shampoos. Like, I don't know what any of this comes with. Because I really don't. The hydrating edge drops that sell out so fast. I missed a restock like a month ago because of those drops. It was like 2 o'clock and it dropped at 2 and I looked at like 3 and it was sold out, and I was like, dang, great. Nourishing hair oil. This is, okay, the fermented rice and rose protein ritual. I think all of the things are in here. All of the things. If we can get it open. Ooh, they are all in here. Oh my goodness. What all can this by itself is $42.21. There's like a lot of stuff in here. Hold on, Playboy. Like, it's a lot of things. Let's see. Step 1, the fermented rice and rose water protein powder. The silk rinse is step 2. How how many portions of this do I get? Because again, here's 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Oh my gosh, they're all this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of the treatment. Okay. I didn't know it came like that. That's nice. No wonder why it's $42, because you get 4 treatments. Why am I struggling? Lows, baby. Okay, it's not that serious. All right, and then here's the reconstructing treatment mask. And the moisturizing deep conditioner. And what is this? Oh, the ritual shaking vessel. Okay, so this is what you put your rice water treatment in. Okay. This is so big. How much water do you add to this? You add water? I'm gonna have to look at the instructions. Step 1, 2. There are only 2 steps. For 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly with warm water till hair is clean and water runs clear. Okay. I don't know what steps you're supposed to do this in, but put that back. Scoot everybody back over. She's so cute. She's so cute. It's gonna make it like a set. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh my gosh. How was this in here? In and over. In. Look at me. Look at me, okay? I'm gonna make this look pretty. But everyone has to be seen. Cute. Okay. So let's get into, what are we getting into? Darling. The products that I'm supposed to use, which I think is like everything. But, so, after I took my quiz, these were the results. I have the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, restoring hair and edge drops, hydrating shampoo, moisturizing deep conditioner, reconstructing treatment, moisture and sealing lotion, and the rice water treatment. So what was left out? It sounds like everything to me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's something I don't need. But yeah, which ones are we going to use today? I don't know yet. Don't know yet. But I have time to think about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of these products today, because there's a mask, a deep conditioner, sealing lotion, the rice water and rose protein ritual, which I probably need all the above because these have been in here for 6 weeks. But I'm also going to deduce which things I don't need, or that wasn't suggested. This wasn't suggested. And one of these other things. It was one of these shampoos? No. I mean, it was both of those. I'll figure that out later. I won't keep y'all. Not like you guys can't just click out of the video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the chaos that is my mind, right? But I did get all of the Cercred products. Super excited to start trying these out. My hair currently comes to here, and I'm trying to get it to my belly button by the end of the year. So protective styles and great products and actually taking care of my hair is what's going to get us there. So keep watching and join us on this journey. I will be reviewing these products after I use them to let y'all know my first thoughts, okay, and how I like them. But yes, after I take these braids out, I'll be using these. My next hairstyle is going to be twists, and after I take those out, I'll use them again. So we will get several reviews and follow-ups on these products. I'm super duper excited for it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. To all my to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for returning and sticking with your girl. And for anyone that is new here, thank you for watching, and hopefully you join along on this journey and hit that subscribe button English, and turn on those post notifications so you know every time that I post. And until next time, y'all, it's your girl Shelly May.